Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today we're diving into the world of cold brew coffee, a perfect refreshment for those hot summer days. Choosing the right beans is crucial for a rich and smooth cold brew. Opt for coarsely ground coffee beans to extract the best flavors over a longer steeping period. Gather your supplies: 1 cup coarsely ground coffee, 4 cups cold water, a jar with a lid, and a fine mesh sieve. Combine the coffee and water in the jar. Stir well to ensure all grounds are saturated. This step is essential for a balanced flavor. Seal the jar and steep the mixture at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. The longer the steep, the stronger the brew. After steeping, strain the coffee through a fine mesh sieve into another container to remove the grounds. Dilute the cold brew concentrate with equal parts water or milk, depending on your preference. Serve your cold brew over ice. For added sweetness, consider adding syrup or flavorings. Enjoy your homemade cold brew. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on Tea and Coffee Explorers. Cheers to a refreshing summer.